Hi friends, today we will make a cool project, a small water level indicator with Arduino. It is easy and useful. Let's start. First, let's open Tinkercad to run a simulation. It's free and easy to use. Then, let's start building the project. Then, search for the components listed in the table and add them. I have replaced the water level sensor with a soil moisture sensor because I couldn't find it. Since both work on the same principle, this won't affect the simulation. I upload new video every week or so. If you have a project in need code or simulation, let me know, and I will make a video for you. So subscribe and don't miss out. Now let's start connecting the wires. Sync volt to sync volt, ground to ground. The table in Arduino show how to connect them properly. I forgot to change the wire colors. But don't worry, just follow the table and you will get the right connection. Here is the circuit diagram of our project. Now let's start writing the code. 1. Select text mode. 2. Type the code. The code it is very simple. You will find it pinned in the comment with an explanation of each line. Now start the simulation. As you can see, the red LED turn on when the water level is low. And the yellow LED turn on when the water level is medium. The green LED turn on when the water level is high. I hope you found this video helpful. You can find the code in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.